All right, good morning. Today is the 21st of January 2020, Math 8, and this is basically Friday's lesson kind of again. I want to spend some more time on it. So here's a graph. I'm going to put some points on this. In your notes, you kind of just draw a quick little graph, and we're just going to draw a line. So I'm going to go, I don't know. You know what? I don't like that point. I like this point. There we go. Yeah, you just kind of draw a couple of points. Nothing fancy, just a graph. Can I take this graph and turn it into a table of values? Yes. Mike says yes. Who else says yes? Okay, I want you to come and I want you to take that point and put it on the table. Get up here, Griffin. Take that point and put it on that table. That point, put it on the table. Zero, 2. I like it. Mike, take that point and put it on the table. What'd you put? I don't know, just read me what you put.
I put 4.
You just put 1, 4 on the table. Take this point, Braden, put it on the table. Ava, take this point and put it on the table. And was that at 3, 8? Good, 3, 8. So this just became that table. I'm also going to tell you in your notes, y equals 2x plus 1. That equation is not that equation. Plus 2, there we go. That equation goes with this. Cool. I'm also going to tell you, so you're writing that stuff down, I'm also going to say, hey, you know what? I think there's some more points for this thing. I think that point. I think those 2 points are also on the line. Where are those 2 points? Read me those. Ganter, can you pull these points off of this for me? It's hard to see, but what do you think? Actually, it's -2, -2, and then -3, -4. This table, does it match that graph?
Yes.
Yeah. This equation matches that graph. That graph matches these 2 points. All of these things are the exact same thing, different ways. All of these are the same line. This makes a line, that makes a line, those make a line, that's a line. Everything's the same. So what can you tell me about the slopes?
It goes up 2 over 1.
What can you tell me about the slope of this? Up 2 over 1?
Yeah.
What can you tell me about the slope of this?
Down 2 over 1.
What can you tell me about the slope of this?
Oh, that's...
Okay, so ready? Go back. Is this the same as that line?
Yeah.
Yes. No.
Yes.
So we started with this line. I gave you those points. You took those points and you made that table. Is this table the same as that line?
Yeah.
I then looked at that line and I created this equation. Is this equation the same as that line?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this equation the same as this table?
Yeah.
Yes.
I then came over here and I put a couple extra points here. Boom, boom. Are these points part of that line?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Are these points, could we put them on this table?
Yes.
Are those points part of this equation?
Yes.
Are these points those points? Yes, okay. So, what can you tell me without a number about the slope that's here, the slope here, the slope here, and the slope there? What can you tell me about those slopes? Cameron?
They should all be the same.
They should all be the same. They should be, because they all came from the same spot, right? So we're gonna find the slope of these four things. What do you wanna do first? You wanna start with the graph, the equation, the 2 points, or the table, your choice. Get up there, you know how to do a graph. Today you're gonna learn how to do everything else. We're gonna find the slope of that graph. How do you find the slope of the graph? You know what? Tell them what to do. Don't do anything yet. They're going to help you. Tell them what to do first. Mike, tell them what to do. Find 2 good points. Look at, there's so many good points. Okay. After that, what did you do? Talitha, you found 2 good points.
Draw the triangle.
Draw the triangle. Yeah, and there's a good. You drew in the triangle. Dakota, what now? He drew in the triangle. Count the rise and the run. He has counted the rise and the run. Eli, what should he do?
Put rise over run.
Good. Sophia, what can you do? Simplify it. Good. Final piece of this. Eli?
Add negative if needed.
Does he need to add a negative?
No.
Good. You just found the slope. What's the slope of this line? 2. Oh, thank you. Hey, what's the slope between these 2 points?
2.
How do you know that, McMurtry?
That is the same thing.
Because it's the same. What's the slope right here?
2.
What's the slope right here?
2.
It's all the same. Well, let's find the slope in these different places. I've got 3 things left. I can either find the slope from the table, the 2 points, or the equation. What do you want to do, Brooke? Slope, 2 points, the 2 points, the equation, or the table? You want to do the table? Do you know how to do the table? I can teach you how to do the table. Have you written the table into your notes? Get that table in your notes? You taking notes with me today, or you just? Yeah. Nice. Here we go. We're going to get the slope out of the table. Brooke, from here to here, how did it change? It went up by 1 plus 1. That's your run. Brooke, from here to here, how did it change? That's your rise. Turn it into a slope for me, Norina.
Put 2 over 1.
What can I do after that?
Simplify.
2.
2.
You see that 2? It's that 2. Same 2.
Yeet.
All right, we got it down to 2 things. We got a point and we have an equation. Eva, point or equation?
Point.
You want to find the slope using the points?
Sure.
How do I do that?
Then you have to do it like using a graph.
I could plot these 2 points and turn it into a graph and do it that way. I don't want to do it that way. Going back to front, Andrew, what can I do instead?
You have to increase or decrease. I think between the 2 points.
What did I teach you guys on Friday? You're right. How would I have done 2 points on Friday? We did 2 points on Friday.
Over rise and run.
I could. I gave you a very specific method on Friday. Go back into Friday's notes. Eli,
Change in y over change in x.
I didn't teach you really change in y, change in x. What would I do? Cameron.
Or is it rise over run?
It is rise over run, but I gave you a method right here. Talitha? You're throwing out all the terms for slope. I'm looking for the slope.
Find slope.
I'm not. Right. What do you want to do with these 2 points? Yes.
You can't find graph subtracting.
Okay, I could graph it. I don't want to graph it. Remember we put up a picture of a baby crying? What can I do?
Draw like a chart.
Yeah, I'm just going to. Are you guys happy with this?
Yeah.
How about this? We take these 2 points. Okay. It's just a table. It's a table written as 2 points. If you can do the table, you can do the 2 points, correct? Yes. Now let's do the 2 points. So how did it change from here to here?
Plus
Minus
one.
1.
Minus 1.
Yeah.
How did it change from here to here?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. What's the rise?
Negative 2. Negative 1.
Which is?
Positive 2.
Positive.
Oh, look. You see that 2? It's that 2. And it's that 2. They're all the same 2. So we have the table. The 2 points that we turned into a table. The line with all the points on it. And we have this guy right here. How do I get the slope from this? Maddie,
You just look.
I just look at it.
It's
So the slope is x.
it's the 2.
This 2.
It's the 2x.
It's the 2x? How old are you? Are you 14x? How old are you? 14? It's not 2x. What's the slope? The slope is 2. That 2 is that 2, which is this 2, which is that 2. It is all the same 2. Questions? In Edulastic is the homework. It says homework. You're going to start on it. You're not going to do your final submission because I'm going to be checking it all the way along. Actually, yeah, okay, I'm pausing this now. Bye.